Leviton 476TM-624 Twist and Mount Patch Panel. Reliable voice, data, and video distribution. The Leviton Twist Mount Patch Panel facilitates easy cable installation and patching in the structured media center. The low-profile design covers and protects cabling while hiding terminations in the back to support a clean, professional look. Compact design. Leviton Twist Mount Patch Panels support high-density, component-rated patching. The low-profile design provides ample room for patch cord bend radii, avoiding stress or damage to patched cables. Available in 12 and 24 port versions. Voice and data compatible. Panels are compatible with Cat5e or Cat6 cabling, supporting a wide range of voice and data applications. Cat5e ports meet all requirements of high-speed data applications, while Cat6 ports are designed for use in high-bandwidth applications such as Gigabit Ethernet. Simple installation. Port identification labeling. Twist mount patch panels support simple installation, allowing installers to use the built-in cable relief feature to maintain cable positioning during termination. The 4 front-mounted hooks and spacers provide easy suspension of the panel during the punchdown phase. The installer then simply twists and mounts the panel into place using installed push-lock pins. Port identification labels are provided for easy identification and tracking of phone or data ports. Dome labels clearly indicate category rating. Top reviews from the United States. Great piece to put in your media hub. My media hub is in my closet, and when I has the house built I had 8 network cables ran for my outside cameras and have 9 rooms with network cables ran. I got this and attached everything with ease. Took me less than an hour to punch all the wires for the 17 pre-ran network cables. The cheat sheet lets you run either 568A or flip it over and punch in for 568B. Remember, whatever you punch here you need to wire the RJ45 the same so the cables work right. Once those two ends are ran the same, you don't have to worry about whatever cables are plugged into it. Have had no issues with this and get gigabit speeds throughout the house.